Your inner state shapes your outer reality, believe it, and it will be so. Neville Goddard. To truly grasp the depth of reality creation, one must understand the concept of entering the infinite states. These states are not merely abstract ideas but powerful conditions of consciousness that allow you to manifest your desires with precision and effectiveness. The infinite states represent a realm where all possibilities exist simultaneously, and by learning to navigate and enter these states, you gain access to the full potential of your mind. When you think about the infinite states, imagine them as a vast ocean of potential, where each thought, emotion, and belief has the power to create ripples that shape your experience. Every state of consciousness you enter can influence the outcomes you encounter in your life. By consciously choosing which state to occupy, you direct the flow of energy and intention toward your desired outcomes. The key to entering these states lies in understanding that your current state of consciousness is not a fixed reality but a dynamic process influenced by your thoughts and feelings. When you shift your focus to a state that aligns with your desires, you essentially reprogram your mind to resonate with the frequency of your goals. This alignment allows the manifestation process to unfold naturally and effortlessly. Begin by recognizing the states that align with your desires. For instance, if you wish to experience financial abundance, you would enter a state of consciousness where you feel financially secure and prosperous. This involves immersing yourself in the emotions and thoughts associated with having achieved your financial goals. Visualize yourself in a scenario where you are already enjoying the benefits of your desired financial status. Feel the emotions, see the details, and fully engage with the experience as if it were happening in the present moment. The process of entering these states involves a deep level of imagination and belief. It requires you to suspend disbelief and fully accept the reality you are creating. Your imagination acts as a bridge between your current state and the infinite states where your desires already exist. Through focused imagination, you can align yourself with the outcomes you seek. Practice entering these states by using techniques such as visualization, affirmation, and meditation. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce the reality you wish to manifest. Meditation helps you cultivate a calm and receptive state of mind, making it easier to enter and remain in the desired states. An essential aspect of this practice is consistency. Regularly engaging in these techniques helps to solidify the new state of consciousness you are working to establish. The more time you spend in the desired state, the more natural it becomes, and the more it influences your external reality. Over time, you will notice that the changes you seek begin to materialize as your consciousness aligns with the infinite states where your desires are fulfilled. It is also important to maintain a sense of detachment from the outcomes. While it is crucial to be clear about what you want, it is equally important to release any attachment to the specific way in which your desires will manifest. Trust in the process and remain open to the various ways in which your desires might come to fruition. This trust allows you to stay in alignment with the infinite states without becoming fixated on any particular outcome. To deepen your understanding of entering infinite states, it's important to consider the role of emotional resonance in this process. Emotions are the energetic force that drives the power of your imagination. When you enter a desired state of consciousness, your emotions should be in harmony with the experience you wish to manifest. This alignment of emotion and imagination creates a potent force that propels you towards your goals. One effective method for anchoring emotions to your desired state is through the practice of feeling exercises. Begin by selecting a specific outcome you wish to achieve and then immerse yourself in the emotions associated with that outcome. For instance, if your goal is to experience improved health, evoke feelings of vitality and well-being. As you concentrate on these feelings, allow them to fill your entire being. Feel the energy of health coursing through you, as if it were already a part of your reality. These emotional exercises help to reinforce the state of consciousness you are cultivating. They act as a bridge between your mental image and the reality you wish to create. By consistently engaging in these practices, you build a strong emotional foundation that supports the manifestation process. This emotional resonance becomes a powerful magnet, drawing the experiences and opportunities that align with your desired state. Another key component in accessing infinite states is the practice of present moment awareness. The present moment is where all creation occurs, and maintaining awareness in the here and now is crucial for effective manifestation. When you focus on the present moment, you eliminate distractions and align your consciousness with the state you wish to achieve. This focused awareness enhances the power of your imagination and ensures that your efforts are directed towards your goals. Integrating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine can significantly improve your ability to remain in the present moment. Mindfulness involves paying deliberate attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. By cultivating a state of mindfulness, you create a space where your desired state can flourish. This practice also helps to reduce stress and anxiety, which can otherwise hinder the manifestation process. To further support your journey, consider the role of affirmations in reinforcing your desired state. Affirmations are concise, positive statements that reflect the reality you wish to create. When repeated regularly, they help to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts and beliefs with your goals. Choose affirmations that resonate deeply with your desired outcome and repeat them with conviction. For example, if your goal is to manifest a fulfilling career, an affirmation might be, "I am thriving in my ideal career, and every day brings new opportunities for success." Repeat this affirmation with genuine belief and emotion, visualizing yourself already achieving this career success. Over time, these affirmations will help to shift your mental state and attract the experiences that support your goals. Additionally, it's essential to maintain a sense of gratitude throughout the manifestation process. Gratitude acts as a powerful amplifier for your desires, enhancing the frequency at which you vibrate. By expressing gratitude for the blessings you already have, you create a positive energetic environment that attracts more of what you want. Practice daily gratitude by acknowledging the positive aspects of your life and expressing thanks for them. In conclusion, mastering the ability to enter infinite states and manifest your desires involves a harmonious blend of emotional resonance, present moment awareness, affirmations, and gratitude. By focusing on these practices, you cultivate a powerful state of consciousness that aligns with your goals and enhances your ability to create the reality you desire. As you continue to refine these techniques, you'll find that your manifestations become more precise, effortless, and aligned with your true intentions. In closing, understanding how to enter infinite states and manifest your desires offers profound potential to reshape your reality. The principles outlined here are not merely theoretical, they are actionable steps that can genuinely transform your life. By harnessing the power of your emotions, staying present, and using affirmations, you can create a powerful framework for achieving your goals. Reminder: the process of manifestation begins within and is guided by your internal state. It's crucial to actively practice and apply these techniques. As you consistently engage with the exercises of feeling exercises, present moment awareness, and positive affirmations, you will notice a shift in your ability to manifest your desires. These practices aren't just about wishing or hoping, they involve a deep, purposeful alignment with your desired outcomes. Your ability to remain focused, emotionally aligned, and grateful will significantly enhance the manifestation of your dreams. If you find this approach resonates with you, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and guidance on harnessing the power of your mind. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest strategies and techniques to help you achieve your goals. Your support allows us to continue sharing valuable content and providing the tools you need to succeed. Please take a moment to like this video if you found the information helpful. Your feedback and engagement are vital in helping us tailor our content to better meet your needs. Liking the video also helps us reach more people who could benefit from these teachings. Additionally, if you want to keep up with future content that explores new and effective methods for personal development and manifestation, subscribing to our channel is the best way to stay informed. We're committed to offering valuable content that empowers you to unlock your full potential and achieve your desires. Don't forget to share this video with friends or family who might find it useful. Sharing these insights can inspire others and support them on their own paths to personal success and fulfillment. By spreading the word, you contribute to a ripple effect of positive change. Lastly, feel free to leave a comment below sharing your experiences or thoughts on the techniques discussed. Your comments provide us with valuable feedback and help us understand how we can better support you and others in their pursuit of their goals. We look forward to hearing from you and engaging with you in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this content enlightening and inspiring. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. By applying these principles and staying committed to your practices, you can manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Don't hesitate to take action and start applying these techniques today. Your journey towards a more fulfilling and successful life starts now.